26 September RAM DeFi market update. So let's look at the weekly time frame first. So weekly time frame, we are under the 20 EMA and also the 10 EMA. So in the immediate short term, we are not in a very good position. Okay, so but then we are forming the handle. Okay, we are forming the handle for the cup and handle pattern. Okay, we are forming it. So yeah, everything is still looking fine for me right now. Okay, so let's look at the daily time frame also. Okay, daily time frame, I move my lines. Okay, so this white line is actually previously it was somewhere like this. Okay, but because we have a lower over here and we have a wick down a bit more from this low, so I actually move the white line. So when I move the white line, let's move it like this, then I lock this and I move the Fibonacci down a bit. All right, so we are still in a very good pattern right now. Okay, so as long as we hold this and we do not break straight through down to the blue line, which is the low at the end of July. Okay, so everything is still intact. All right, so we should be seeing RAM moving like this, and once they break out from this white line here, then the reversal upwards back to about 50 cents or 47 cents will be on the way. All right, so on the upside, just look at the upside again at the 1.618. We are looking at about 0.76 cents. Okay, so when we look at if I place my Fibonacci from the top here down to the low here on the blue line, okay, blue line range, so where are we right now? So we are here. Okay, we touched this line, so this line is actually very close to the Fibonacci level 0.702 level. Okay, so we are holding the 702 level right now. So the next level that I would want to see RAM DeFi getting supported is the 0.786 range, which is at about 22 cents. Okay, so for the immediate upside, I do hope to see RAM coming back up to about 30 cents. Okay, I do hope so, because there are chances that Bitcoin is having another dip, or rather one more big dump before moving upwards. Okay, of course I'm bullish on Bitcoin, so that's why my TA is as such. Okay, so I do hope to see RAM actually come out to about near 30 cents. So when Bitcoin have another big dump, we will have some room to actually come down to the 786 range. Okay, so even if we hold like this, then the next dump and over here we hold the 786, that's good enough for me. All right, so from here to the 786, that's about another 16%, 17%. Yeah, I think that's good enough space for another dump, right? So yeah, everything is still intact. Okay, the upside target is still there. I'm still looking at about 76 cents. Okay, and then of course, like my previous video, I've talked about once we reach this level, that there could be some retracement back down to about the 1.272 range, about 65. Okay, so that means it might like this, boom 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 boom, come up, retracement. Okay, and then the next leg up again. Okay, so that is still my target. Okay, and on the daily time frame, let's look at the 20 EMA and the 10 EMA also, and also the 55. So we are crossing. Okay, so in the short term, the bearish cross would be happening in the next few days. Okay, but I do see it as like a fake out in terms of the crossing. Will be like this, then the 55 will be like this up. So there will be a chance that the 20 will actually cross below the 55 EMA on a daily time frame. But to me, I think that it is still alright. Okay, it's still good for me. Okay, so as long as we hold this, and of course the about 22 cents here, okay, that's good enough. And if you look at the 22 cents range, it's actually this range. This is where the 20 crosses above the 55. And if you look at a lot of the projects, right, a lot of them are now retracing back to where the actually the 20 crosses the 55. So it's like a second chance. Okay, we get down to here, then confirmation, then boom, going upwards. Okay, so yeah, just look at maybe 21 cents or 22 cents, you can just place some bits over here just in case. All right, so not financial advice, not fortune teller also, but on my take is, if you do buy RAM right now, or even maybe next few days when it does come down, so do not actually go and mint the RUSD, because there is always a good chance that you will get liquidated during this point of time, because the movement of the Bitcoin is actually very volatile. So if you do buy RAM, just stake your RAM. I stake my RAM in BSC, so the Binance Smart Chain. So just take it for the time being until Bitcoin actually shows upward movement. Then you can actually mint your RUSD, and then you can buy in your more RAM or other projects. Okay, so basically for me right now, what I buy here or next few days downwards is all for staking. All right, so let's look at the RSI also. Okay, RSI on the weekly time frame, if we take a look at the RSI, we are touching the white line here, so I do expect to see some upward movement to test the white line soon. Okay, and of course, if you can see the stock RSI, we are actually very high here, okay, on the weekly. But of course, we have very little data on RAM on the weekly time frame right now, because it's still a very new project at about a year or so. All right, so if we look at the daily time frame, we are now under the white line over here, so I do expect to see some movement coming up back, test this white line, and that will mean that RAM will actually come out a bit to confirm the test, and then if they do break through, then you'll be going upwards. Okay, so when we look at the RSI, I mean, for me down here it is a bullish trend for me, because it's uptrend. Okay, but the price wise, we are heading down recently. Okay, so we definitely need, if we do come down, we have to come down, touch this white line over here, and then get a bounce, and then we will bounce up. Okay, so everything is still looking very good right now. If you look at this chart itself, I'll talk more on this. I'll talk again on this on my Bitcoin video if I do make one later today. But if you can have a look, the rich money has been buying Bitcoin every day for the past 4 days. Okay, for the past 4 days, 25th, yeah, so it's yesterday morning. So they have been accumulating about over 1,000 Bitcoin right now for the past 4 days, at about 41, 42, 43, 44,000 they bought in. All right, so basically, if the rich money are buying right now, then yeah, they definitely, they are spending this kind of money. It shows that yeah, Bitcoin should be heading up, and they have the confidence that Bitcoin is heading up. And of course, if Bitcoin is heading up, then RAM DeFi and all the other projects will be heading upwards also. All right, so be patient. Once we get out of this pattern, I'm looking at to break through the about 47 cents first, then we can look at the 1.618 target. All right, so at about 76 cents. Okay, so immediate short-term upside target I'm looking at is about 30 cents. Okay, like I say, I do hope that they come up 30 cents, so that I can or rather we can have a lot of room down to about 22 cents, about 20%, 26%. Okay, so yeah, everything is still looking good, and yeah, I hope you had a good weekend. Okay, take care, bye bye.